guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be creating 5 different eyeliner looks, right from the simple one to a super bold eyeliner look. If you want to know how I created it, please keep on watching. So I hope you enjoyed these 5 looks. They're super easy to create, so do give it a try. Also, if you'll try it, don't forget to tag me in your photos on Instagram. All the details are in the description box. The products used in this video will also be linked in the description box, along with the links to where you can buy them. So do give it a try, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for many such more fun videos coming your way. And do give this video a like if you liked it. Also, don't forget to comment and share this video, and let's build this family a little bit more. Bye bye, see you in the next video.